how to create a Polymarket account. So if you want to create a Polymarket account, then first you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser and then search for Polymarket and then go with polymarket.com, which will be in the first search. Now you'll get this kind of interface. Now if you want to create a Polymarket account, then what you need to do is just simply go with the more section, which will be on the bottom. And on the top right, you will have sign up option. Tap on sign up. And now it will take you to this kind of interface. You can continue with your Google, or you can use your email address, or you'll also have Steam and many more options on the bottom. So I'll just simply tap on continue with Google and just wait for a few seconds. It will ask you to verify your Google account. So just simply go and verify. Scroll down and tap on continue. And that's it. Polymarket will take all of your information from Google and it will create your account. As you can see that your account has been created. You can now tap on login and it will automatically log you into your account. You can go with your profile and that's it. It was that easy to create a Polymarket account. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.